Now a, b, c are a positive real number, okay. A, b, c are positive real number such that a is more than equal to 10, sorry, it's not more than equal to, a is more than 10, okay, and 10 is more than equal to b and b is more than equal to c. Now, you have to find the value of log 8 a plus b divided by log of c to the base 2 plus log of a minus b to the base 27 divided by log of c to the base 3, this is equal to 2 by 3. Find the greatest value of a. Now, before I start this, okay, before I touch this, I'll just try to mention a formula. You know that log of a to the power m and by b to the power n, base is b to the power n, okay. I can write it as log of a to the power m to the, let us say, different base or c by log of b to the power n, okay, to the base different base c, okay. I mean the same base, I mean c has to be same, right. We can write it like this. So, this m will come in the front is m times log of a to the base c divided by, it will come n times log of b to the base c, and again I can write it as m by n. So, it is m by n. I can rewrite again as log of a to the base b. So, we can use this, right, okay, clear. So, we can use this formula. Now, in this question, it is log of a plus b, okay, to the base 8 divided by log of c to the base 2 plus log of a minus b to the base 27 divided by log of c to the base 3, right. So, we can write it as, now this a plus b I can write at a plus b power 1, this 8 I can write like 2 to the power 3, right, okay. Here also it is like a minus b to the power 1, this 27 I can write 3 to the power 3. So, by this formula, this will be a by n, right, log of a to the power m to the base b to the power n, it is m by n, it is like m will come in the front, m by n log of a b, right. So, this 1 will go here, so it will be 1 by 3, okay. So, this is like 1 by 3, okay, and it will become log of a plus b to the base c, right, because it will be 2 will be matching, right, okay. So, it will become log of, okay, I can write, or let me write one step. So, it will be 1 will come 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3 log of a plus b and to the base 2, right. In the denominator, it will be log of c to the base 2, okay. This will become, this 1 will come in the front, it again will become 1 by 3 log of a minus b, okay, and this will become log of c to the base 3, here also the base is 3, right, okay. Now, after this what I can do is, I am writing it here, okay. So, from this step, so it will become, now you see this is 1 by 3 we can take common, 1 by 3 I can take common. Here what will I get? Log of a plus b to the base 2 by log of c to the base 2. So, it will be log of a plus b to the base c, right. It will be log of a plus b to the base c. This one will be again 1 by 3 is outside common, log of a minus b to the base 3 by log of c to the base 3, it will be log of a minus b to the base c, right. So, basically it is 1 by 3 log to base c. This is log a plus log b. So, it is log a b. So, it will be like log a plus b into log a minus b. Bases are same, we can multiply. So, log of a square minus b square. Okay. And I forgot to write the second hand side. It was 2 by 3, right? It was 2 by 3. Okay. So, this thing was 2 by 3. Okay. So, basically I forgot to write this is 2 by 3. Okay. So, basically I was writing the LHS, I forgot to write the RHS, RHS is 2 by 3. So, this 3 get cancelled. So, from we can say a square minus b square, okay, is equal to c square, right. A square minus b square equal to c square, or a square is equal to b square plus c square, right, correct. Now, you see b is less than equal to 10, right, b is, so here we got a square equal to b square plus c square. Now, b is less than equal to 10, right. So, b square is less than equal to 100. C is also less than equal to 10 because b and c can be equal, right. So, c square is also less than 100, less than equal to 100. So, b square plus c square will less than equal to 100 plus 100 is 200, right. That means that is equal to a square. So, a square is less than equal to, a square is less than equal to 200, okay, or a square, a will be less than equal to, okay, a is more than 10 obviously is given, okay. So, a is more than 10 is given, it will less than equal to square root of 200, it will be 10 root 2, right. So, from here a is less than equal to 10 into, you know that 200, a is an integer, you know that 14 square is 196, 15 square will cross 200. So, obviously maximum answer for maximum value of a is 14 and root 2 is 1.414. So, a is less than equal to 14.14, right, 14.14 dot dot. So, x is less than equal to 14 point something. So, maximum value of a is 14 because x maximum value of a is 14 because a is less than equal to 14 point something, 14.14 something. So, a maximum value can be 14. So, answer is 14. Okay. I hope this is clear, right.